Hey everybody, I want to show you something today that's pretty cool. I'm going to show you how you can add documents to important links. It's important to remember that this is a two-step process. First, we're going to want to go in and upload the document to the file manager. We're going to want to copy the full URL from the file manager, and then from there, paste that under important links. I start by going first to the main menu. From here, I go to Website Admin, and I'm selecting File Manager. Next, I need to find the folder I want to add this to, and in this case, I think I want to add this as part of PDF. I'm going in, pressing Choose Files. I find the document I want to link, and I press Open. Now, in order for this to work, there's one thing we want to make sure to do. We want to make sure we press Apply Changes. Now, we're ready to go in and copy that URL. I'm looking for the document that I need. I see it here. I want to go in and click on that chain link icon. Then I want to copy that first URL we see. I copy. Now I can go in and close this out. We're ready now to go over towards our links module, and for this we want to go to the main menu, go to Information, Links. Next, I press Add Link. And I like to start by just pasting in the link, the URL, in this case for our file. I'm going in, I'm adding on our student-athlete contract. Perfect. And at this point, we can decide if we want to add this to a new category or keep it on our main category. And I think something like this would be probably something to keep on the main category. Now, this is going to be a link to a document. I want to make sure that this does open up in a new window. One thing that we can do is add a description. It's important to note, though, that this is not going to appear on the home page. It's only going to appear when someone opens up the links feature on your website. In this case, we'll leave that be. There is one important step here that I see, and this is really important to note. Anytime you do add a link to our links module, it's not going to go on your home page by default. All we got to do to make that happen is we check this box that's just to the right of the Save button. Now I press Save. We refresh our screen. I see student-athlete contract. Perfect. With those two main steps, we have successfully added our student-athlete contract onto our important links.